Hello fellas! Tagal na po tayo hindi nagkita since I have to take a break in November 30 or never or November 29, hindi ko matandaan. So the reason kung bakit ako naging absent sa YouTube or di ako nag-upload because I have to take a break, may gagawin importante, mag-aaral, kailangan ko mag-practice, so something like that. By the way, I promise guys I'll upload another video in the January 2026. By the end of the year, ipapromise ko sa inyo guys. Promise po. Mag-upload po ako ng panibagong videos either before January or in January 2026 mag-upload po ng panibagong videos, and pasensya na po sa pagiging absent sa YouTube. Salamat po.